Hello everyone, thanks again for tuning in for another video on using the Pocket Option platform to do Forex trading. There is nothing better than having a clear path on what you want to focus on, whether you're using the 5-second strategy, which I can see a lot of people like to use. It's always good to know which pairs are hitting the most. In other words, which pairs are delivering the most profits. That's why I continue to stress using the ebook by your side while you're doing your trading sessions. It's just as simple as that. I mean, I've talked to people all across the country who are getting excited about discovering this new type of passive income that you can make. Well, it never hurts to have the resources there that you can use. And I'm going to show you something where you can determine that. You may or you may not know, but there are some gems in Pocket Option to help you win more trade. So if whatever strategy you decide to go with, whether it be 5 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes, each day when you start your trading session, pull up this page and look at the most profitable assets. This way you can determine which pairs or stocks you want to spend your time on. That's it. That's what I call little gems hidden inside Pocket Options. Now, if you also look in the middle column, you'll see that today's traders who's doing very well. You know what? As a beginner, that's irrelevant. What you need to know so you can make the most wins in your trading session, which assets do I need to be focusing on for the day? And it's giving you a list of them. You will also see the most accurate signals. Use it at your own risk. So that gives you a tremendous amount of information before you trade for the day. So you know that that's one of the pairs that you want to have up. And then you can just slowly go down the list. So as we can see, the British pound and the Canadian dollar is leading at the moment in terms of the number of trades that people are taking and they're winning. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Use it in your trading session. Okay, so on to this new strategy. This is using the Alligator indicator. Great indicator to use when you are simply just wanting to find a simplistic indicator that doesn't kind of, make your screen too messy. The goal of this is it's a little bit opposite. In terms of when the lines cross on the Alligator indicator, that is not your indication to go in. It is when the lines begin to separate one another. That is when you should make your entry. Let's see how these trades go. that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.